Today I went to the food bank that comes to our town once every 2 weeks. Basically, it's a truck pulls up and they have a whole bunch of tables in a parking lot, and people stand there with boxes saying you can have 3 oranges, 3 apples, or I got the 2 avocados and a couple of limes. Another choice in another box was squash, so I got 2. And then they handed me this package of romaine lettuce. Another choice was I could get an English cucumber or this very large bag of diced celery. So I got the celery. I'm going to take it and freeze it, and I'm going to share some with a friend of mine. This is about a 5-pound bag. They also handed me a dozen eggs, and I got a box of donuts. So there's not a lot of choices. They'll just you could have that or that. Oh, and the 7 bags of potato chips, these Sun chips. But it's great. You know, they don't check any information on you. You just stand in line and you get the food. But you have to watch the dates. Like these eggs are used by or sell by the 17th of May. The celery had a date of May 14th. The lettuce, May 12th. And some of it's, bruised up and a little brown on the edges. So you just have to peel those off. But what I'm going to do is, like I said, I'm going to freeze this. But before I do, I'm going to take some fresh out and I'm going to use it in some tuna salad. I'm going to make a tossed salad. I do have a few tomatoes left, and I have some red cabbage, and I'm going to shred up some of that along with some carrot and have a tossed salad. I will steam the squash and have with dinner. I'm going to make some guacamole. Donuts I will have as a dessert because I won't eat something like that for breakfast. And for the eggs, I'm going to make a frittata with 6 of the eggs, and I'll do scrambled with the other 6. I want to use these first before I use the ones I do have in my refrigerator because these are older. And these chips are pretty good. I ate a bag on the way home. They taste kind of like onion and sour cream potato chip, but they're whole grain. They're not bad. So this is the haul for this week, and in 2 weeks I'll go back. Today I did notice, normally there's about 25 people in line, but today there was about 50. So it was double what it has been. So I could see that people in my area are really affected by prices going up and layoffs.